Hey, I want to do a multiplication lesson, and this is the lesson which I have in the classroom, the multiplication big box. But well, I can't send you this. I'm first going to show you how to do this, and then I'm going to show you what I have sent you at home to do and how you can do that. So the children by the time they do this lesson, they know each color of these beads, what it means. Like, 1 is red, like 2 is green, 3 is pink, so they know. 4 is yellow, and so on and so forth. And like, if you've seen, like, most of our lessons are color coded. Like, multiplication is blue in my classroom. So this number, let me start with this. This problem here says 2 taken 5 times, and that's another thing where we have to use the language. Instead of saying 2 times 5 for the children, for the primary students, we say 2 taken 5 times. That's what he said. So that means we're gonna get 2 and take it 5 times. We're gonna look at the box and say this is 1, this is 2. So we're looking for 2. 2 taken 1 time, 2 taken 2 times, 2 taken 3 times, 2 taken 4 times, 2 taken 5 times. The children in the Montessori classroom also know that multiplication is the same as adding the same number over and over. So we are going to count. How many do we get when we take 2 when we take 2 5 times? Let's see, let's put them in a clear line and count. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 taken 5 times is 10. Put that. So this problem here says 7 taken 3 times. I need to put this back. So, okay, I told you they know the colors, they just know 7 is white. So they're going to come and say 7 taken 1 time, 7 taken 2 times, 7 taken 3 times. And then they will put them together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 7 taken 3 times is 21. Now, because I was not able, I can't send each and every student who's doing this lesson a box like this. So I found this paper which really has the same concept, multiplication. So now this number says 4 taken 1 time. So this is referring to that. That means we're going to count 4 taken 1 time. Gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 taken 1 time is 4. Then this side it says 4 taken 2 times. So this box is only, with this box we're only referring to this 4 taken 1 time, 4 taken 2 times. So what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 taken 2 times is 8. Then this side it says 4 taken 3 times. So that means 4 taken 1 time, 4 taken 2 times, 4 taken 3 times. Let's count. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 4 taken 3 times is 12. How about 4 taken 4 times? The same concept. This is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. So what do we get with 4 taken 4 times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you go on and you go forth. It's the same concept. So I know this is not exactly concrete like this, but I really think that with the students who are already doing this work, this would help them to reinforce this concept of multiplication at home. I hope this helps you, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Okay, I am going to do another lesson. This lesson is really to fill in the missing add-in. We have not had this lesson, but I really thought it is a fun lesson to do at home. it is so this is really addition, but the actual point how you get the answers is like an indirect subtraction. So this one says 4 plus blank equals 7. That means that how do they get the answer for this? They will just count. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and take away 4 to find the one here. So they will take away 7, take away 4. So that will give us 1, 2, 3. That should give them the number that goes here. That's the most concrete way of doing it. How about 3 plus blank equals 10? So that would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should take away this number to find what is missing here. 1, 2, 3. What do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number should be 7 with blank. I know you guys can help them do this, but I know if they want to do it by themselves, because our students are very independent and they usually try to do things by themselves, this is one way you can help them. This is so easy for them to do if they use the counters and subtract to get the missing number. I hope this really helps to keep them motivated to do some numbers. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to show another lesson. This is the stamp game. I have a few students who are doing the stamp game, and I made some materials for you to do stamp game at home. This is what we use in the classroom. I got it from the classroom and I have it at home right now for this purpose. So this is the stamp game. I'm going to show you stamp game addition static and stamp game subtraction static. So this number says 2,300, 110 and 3 units plus 4,300, 7 tens and 3 units. So I'm going to get first this number at the top. I'm going to get out 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. Then I'm going to get out 300, 100, 200 and 300. Then I'm going to get out 110. This is 110. And I'm going to get out 3 units. 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. So it says 2,300, 110 and 3 units plus 4,300, 7 tens and 3 units. Next, I'm going to get 4,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and 4,000. I'm going to get another 300, 100, 200 and 300. Then I'm going to get out 7 tens, 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens and 7 tens. Then lastly I'm going to get 3 units. 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. And now we are going to solve the problem. When we are solving the problem, adding or subtracting or multiplication, we start with the units. So we're going to put the units together and count. This is what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6 here. Then we're going to add the tens. We're going to put them together and find out how much we get. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. That would be 8. And then I'm going to get to the hundreds. Let's put the hundreds together and find out how much we get. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. So that will make 600. and then lastly the thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000. We get 6,000. So we got 2,300, 110 and 3 units, plus 4,300, 7 tens and 3 units, and the total is 6,600, 8 tens and 6 units. So our next problem is going to be a subtraction problem. And I'm doing this because I sent the students both the addition problems and the subtraction problems. And I know that I sent you so many, I made this paper and I sent, I filled this paper with lots of problems, but I don't expect the students to do all of them at once. They could do one at a time or 2 problems a day. If they feel like doing it, they can do this over time. They don't have to do it immediately. So, you know. So the next number is 7,600, 2 tens and 5 units. Take away 2,400, 2 tens and 3 units. Just like you need to remember the language we use. When we're subtracting, we use that word take away. So we are going to get 7,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. 7,000, sorry. 7,000, then we're going to get 600. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. Then we need 2 tens, 110, 2 tens, and then we need 5 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, and 5 units. So this is a takeaway problem. In that case, we are going to take from this very number we have and take away this number, the bottom number. So we're going to start with the units. This says 5 units, take away 3 units. So we're going to take away 1, 2, and 3. And what do we have left? We have 1 and 2. We have 2. Then we're going to go to the next one. The next one says 2 tens, take away 2 tens. Means we're going to take away all of it, and we are remaining with 0. So we have 0 tens. Then we go to the hundreds. 600, take away 400. We're going to take away 400 from the 600. 1, 2, 300, 400. What do we have left? We have 200. And then we have 7,000, take away 2,000. So 1,000 and 2,000. What do we have left? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. So the answer is 5,200, 0 tens, and 2 units. In other words, we would read it 5,202. So we got a big number, which was 7,600, 2 tens and 5 units. We took away 2,400, 2 tens and 3 units, and we remain with 5,202. That's how we do the stamp game. I hope that if the students who are doing this lesson, I send this lesson, get any challenges doing this work, you can refer them to this video or you can call me. I'm available anytime you want to talk. Just let me know ahead of time. Thank you so much, and you stay healthy. Bye.